In this video, I will show you how to buy Prime Video subscription. First of all, open the Amazon Prime Video application on your mobile phone, tablet or smart TV. Also, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is open, you will see the home screen with a variety of movies and TV shows. Scroll through the available content and tap on any movie or show you want to watch. If you are not a Prime member yet, you will see a start your 7-day free trial option. Amazon allows new users to experience Prime benefits for free before they start paying. This is a risk-free way to try the service. So tap on the start your 7-day free trial option to start the free trial. A pop-up will appear from the bottom asking you to add your payment method. To start your trial, you need to add a credit or debit card. So tap on the option Add credit or debit card. Enter your card details, and once your payment method is added, then your Prime membership on Amazon will start. You will be then able to enjoy unlimited Prime video streaming, free and fast delivery on Amazon Shopping, Prime exclusive deals, and ad-free music on Prime Music. You won't be charged immediately within these 7 days. The payment will only be deducted after your 7-day free trial ends. You can continue your Prime membership till you keep paying for it. And if you don't want to continue after the 7-day free trial, you must cancel before the trial period ends so that you don't get charged further. And this is how you can buy Prime Video subscription.